When it comes to securing critical components, not all bolts are created equal. If you want fasteners that deliver strength, durability, and reliability, especially under high-stress conditions, Grade 8 black oxide bolts are your best bet. These bolts are engineered to withstand extreme forces, making them ideal for automotive, racing, and heavy-duty applications. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to pick and use these bolts to get the best performance and peace of mind on your projects. Step 1. Understand the specifications. The bolts we're focusing on are 7/16 inch in diameter and 1 inch long, crafted from high-quality materials with a Grade 8 rating. Grade 8 means they're made from medium carbon alloy steel, heat-treated for superior tensile strength, typically around 150,000 psi. The black oxide finish not only gives them a sleek look but also adds a layer of corrosion resistance, helping them last longer in tough environments. Knowing these specs ensures you're choosing bolts that can handle the job without failure. Step 2. Choose a trusted brand. Speed by Spectre, known as the 400 miles per hour company, brings racing pedigree to every product they make. Rooted in motorsports, their bolts are designed and tested on the racetrack, guaranteeing performance that meets the highest standards. When you select Speed by Spectre bolts, you're not just buying hardware. You're investing in parts engineered for optimum fit, function, and durability. This means fewer worries about bolt failure and more confidence in your build. Step 3. Installation tips for optimal performance. Before installing, make sure the bolt size matches your application exactly, 7/16 inch diameter and 1 inch length in this case. Clean the threads on both the bolt and the receiving hole to ensure smooth engagement. Use the correct torque settings recommended for Grade 8 bolts to avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage, or under-tightening, which risks loosening. The black oxide finish helps reduce friction, so you might notice a smoother threading experience compared to plain steel bolts. Step 4. Benefits you can count on. Using these bolts means you get strength that holds up under pressure, resistance to rust and corrosion, and a professional finish that looks as good as it performs. Customers across the United States have praised Speed by Spectre bolts for arriving on time and working perfectly right out of the box. Whether you're upgrading your car, building a custom rig, or repairing heavy machinery, these bolts deliver consistent, reliable results. By following these steps, you'll ensure your projects are secured with bolts that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Grade 8 black oxide bolts from Speed by Spectre combine strength, durability, and precision engineering, giving you the confidence to push your builds to the limit. Ready to upgrade your fasteners? Explore Speed by Spectre's lineup and experience the difference that racing-tested hardware can make.